In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepL Translator for beginners. If you're new to translation tools, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to go from your original text to a clean, accurate translation in just a few clicks. We'll keep it simple, clear, and practical so you can follow along even if this is your first time. First, open your favorite web browser and head to DeepL Translator. You can type the name into your search bar and click the official result. The web version is free to access, loads quickly, and works well on most modern browsers. Once the page opens, you'll see two main text areas side by side. On the left is where you enter your original text. You can paste text you've already copied from an email, document, or website, or you can type directly into the box. If you're pasting, basic shortcuts like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac work perfectly. Try to include full sentences and correct punctuation because that helps the translator maintain context. If you notice a typo, fix it here before translating for the best results. On the right is your target language area. DeepL can automatically detect the language you typed on the left, which is helpful if you're working with multiple languages or you're not sure of the original. Still, it's a good idea to pick your target language explicitly from the drop-down on the right. That ensures your translation goes exactly where you want it, whether that's English, Spanish, French, or any other supported option. As soon as your text is in the left box and your target language is set on the right, the translation appears instantly on the right side. You don't have to press anything. It updates in real time as you type or make changes. Take a moment to read through it. Look for names, dates, or specialized terms that might need your attention. If something doesn't sound quite right, try adjusting the original phrasing on the left. Shortening long sentences or clarifying ambiguous words often leads to a cleaner translation. When you're happy with what you see, click the copy button near the translated text. That puts the translation on your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, a document, a chat, or anywhere else you need it. After pasting, give it a quick glance to make sure spacing and punctuation carried over correctly in your destination app. That's all there is to it. Open DeepL, add your text on the left, choose your target language on the right, review the instant translation, and click copy to use it anywhere.